Walmart and got here a 3-foot pre-lit Winston Pine multicolored lights artificial tree. I'll do another video and open up and let you know how it looks outside the box. Then we got Yoplait. They're each 48 cents. Got the pineapple, mountain blueberry, cherry, and blackberry harvest. Toaster strudel, the blueberry flavored, $1.87. Got Pillsbury orange rolls, and they were $1.87 for 8 rolls. Kraft single Swiss, the 16 count for $2.68. Got cinnamon French toast sticks. There were $2.08. Got a little mini watermelon. Got a taste for watermelon. There were $3.98. Got 100% beef corn dogs, and they were $2.97. Well, no, $3.98. And got some honey wheat bread since I ran out of it, and that was only for 90 cents. And garden spinach herb wraps, and that was for $3.18. So that's it for this haul.